Today we are unboxing the Titan solar generator. I don't know why I said that weird. Titan solar generator. That's better. Yeah, let's get to this. The battery came shipped separate, and I already have this beast put together so I can store it until it is needed. It will be needed often up here. Power tends to go out a lot in the mountains in a rural part of a rural state with old power lines and infrastructure. The battery weighs a ton. Let's see. Comes with a couple of car chargers, USB chargers, Alright. Looks like a way to charge the generator with your car. I have to go pick up my solar panels, so I went with different panels than what were offered with the generator and packages. Nice. Nice little metal switches. Battery charger for so 0.0 energy makes this, and yeah, there are wind turbine options from other companies. It's actually a company in Africa, I think, pumping out some relatively affordable turbines. So we'll have to give this thing a go soon. See what it can do. Wish there were a way to ship heavy things like this without any styrofoam packaging. That part really sucks, but just very glad to have this baby in the house here as a backup until I can save up for real solar, which still costs a lot of money even though the price keeps dropping. Yeah, this was not cheap either, but hoping it lasts many, many years and is as reliable as Will Pros has tested and espoused it to be thus far. This is turkey camp tonight. We are out here camping out because the turkeys, who are all battened up and insulated here in their little A-frame, it's their first night outside. They're not completely fully feathered. All their wing feathers are in and some of their other feathers are in, but there's still little fuzz and spots. But it is going to be warm enough for the next several nights for them to get out here and get accommodated. So I've got them all insulated with some feed bags. And they're, you know, a little freaked out, so need some reassurance, and gonna camp out here with them, make sure they're okay. And they're not just out here without any heat, by the way. They've got a heating pad with hay on top of it, and they're all piled on top of it. And got this on and gonna start charging it. Just set the battery charging thing that you have to do to calibrate it. Basically have to go in and it's already preset, but it tells you in the owner's manual that you have to go in and set it to your battery pack, which is 74 amp hours, for however many batteries you have. It just times it by 74 amp hours, I guess. Okay, that was a noise I didn't like. It's charging, but there's some popping noises going on here. See if I can get it to happen on video here. We have it charging from the wall, and that I was recording before. It wasn't. We're up a massive 0.4 amp hours, so this is going to take a while to charge. But, we've got it running from the wall here, and everything seems good, only we keep getting some popping noises. Like, I'm afraid I'm, like, blowing fuses or something. I don't know what the noise is about. It happened when I turned it on initially, and it's happened again a couple of times since then. We are at 50% here. According to this cool little meter, we got 2.5 hours left. It's pulling in 422 watts. Fluctuating between 22 and 28. 422 and 428. Nice. 37 amp hours in there. So far, so good. We are all charged up and ready to store this for our later use, which will be part 2. You know, definitely have a video where this gets put to use with the number of power outages that we have here. And yeah, I'm gonna see what this thing can run. For now, we're all ready to go here with off-grid solar for the first time. Great. Awesome.